How to get rid of a dark neck with this natural pack. Some areas of your body such as neck and underarms are darker in color as compared to your facial skin. The dark neck issue is the most common, and the dark neck looks ugly, and it shows that you do not take proper care of your hygiene. How to cure a dark neck. In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make a pack for instant dark neck whitening. So, if you are worried because of your dark neck, make and use this pack and get rid of this beauty issue. Ingredients: rice flour, 2 spoons. Turmeric, 1 to 2 pinches. Yogurt, 1 spoon. Lemon, 1. Procedure: take a bowl, and in it, add 2 spoons of rice flour. Next, add 1 to 2 pinches of turmeric. Now, add 1 spoon of yogurt. After this, add the juice of 1 lemon to it. Now, mix all the ingredients well, and you will get the pack for instant dark neck whitening ready for use. How to use. Apply the pack to your dark neck and leave it for 25 minutes. First, rub it off with your fingers. Wash it off after this. This pack for instant dark neck whitening is the best for the skin of all of you. You can also use it for your hands and facial skin. So, if your neck is dark, and you are looking for a remedy to whiten your dark neck, this remedy will work the best for you. Make and use it and have a clear skin, clear skin.